Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to know Binance new listings. To stay up to date on new listings on Binance, you can follow these methods. First is Binance announcement. You can find new listings from official announcement page. Binance frequently updates their announcement section with information about new listing, trading pairs, and more. You can access it on the notification or the news. Another is enabling the notification. If you use Binance application on your phone, make sure you have notification enabled. Check the markets or news section within the application for updates on new tokens and listings. Third is Binance blog. The Binance blog often contains detailed articles about new listing, including information about the project, features, and other trading pairs. Fourth is cryptocurrency news outlets. Follow cryptocurrency news websites such as CoinDeck, Cointelegraph, or CryptoSlate. They often report on new listing and significant changes on major exchanges including Binance. Fifth is community forums and Reddit. Engage with community forums like Reddit, where users frequently discuss new listing and other Binance-related news. Other is Binance new coin listing polls. Occasionally, Binance holds community polls to let users vote on potential new listing. Keeping an eye on these polls can give you heads up on what to expect. Things to consider are new listing can lead to increased volatility and trading volume. So, if you plan to invest on newly listed coin, be sure to do research beforehand. Always verify information through official channels to avoid scams or misinformation. So that is how you can know Binance new listings. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.